Are you tired of spending hours analyzing, finding, and summarizing information? Let me tell you something. You don't have to anymore. Here's how to save hours every day with Merlin AI. With its ability to summarize blogs, YouTube videos, research papers, and websites in seconds, Merlin AI is your ultimate productivity tool. Let's dive in and see how this tool works. First, search for Merlin AI in your browser and visit the website. Once you are redirected to its interface, you can check what this tool offers and install it on your Chrome browser or Microsoft Edge by clicking on the Install from Chrome web store. Now sign up with Google or with your other email. Once signed up, you can pin this tool to the top. After pinning, click on the tool's icon and it will ask you to refresh, which will allow the tool to grab information from the page you are on. You will get a shortcut on the right side of your browser like this. Here you can see, you can upload documents and presentations to analyze, create images, and surely you can chat with it as it is powered by multiple GPTs like Claude AI, ChatGPT, and others. You can turn on the Access Web so it can grab real-time data from websites. And you can also select your desired app to get data from. Now we are just creating a quick post on Mindset as a test. Additionally, you can see what other things you can do with Merlin under Features on the Merlin website. Now we are going to see image generation with Merlin using a pre-made prompt. You can go with a new prompt, it's up to you. Now let's see a YouTube video analysis with Merlin. Just visit any YouTube video and you will see Summarize under the name of the video on YouTube. Just click it. In the top right corner, you will see the summarization of the video. That's all for now. Until next time, keep innovating.